Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rue Dynasty and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I do this sleek ponytail, but this is going to be the 90s edition with a flipped kind of side, and it's maybe like a deep side part, which I'm trying to do right now. And you know, just wait and see, but I'm going to speed up the video like a time lapse so you can see how I do it. And hopefully you enjoyed this video and subscribe. Please like, comment and share with your friends and your family. So for this section, I'm just parting the hair in order to start to glue the track that she wanted onto the hair. And this is just to make the side swoop fuller than just using her natural hair. So yeah, and then I'm just going to go in and cut the bundles, the track. And this bundle was West Kiss hair that I used. We used two different types of companies. We use West Kiss for the front and we use BAISI hair for the back. And the BAISI hair was in the length 16 and the West Kiss hair was in the length 14 inches. By the way, using hair glue on her hair is not harmful. You can take it out by using conditioner, which I've done so many times. And if you properly know how to maintain your hair, it will not rip out. So the proper way to remove it is by using conditioner to take it off. Some people have other techniques, but I personally use conditioner to take off the hair glue, and it comes straight off, leaving no residue, no kind of hair loss. I haven't experienced that personally by using it, but I made sure I asked her if she was okay with me using it, and I told her the pros and cons of using the hair glue, and she understood and she liked it at the end. So So guys, I couldn't decide how I wanted the baby hairs to look. I kept changing the baby hairs every 5 seconds, and I kind of then landed on what I wanted. I kind of like the, how would I say it, like the spiral look. like kind of have, you know, Sweetie has her hair like that. That's how I liked the hair to look. And yeah, at the end it looked very nice. The end result was very perfect, that I loved, you know. And now I'm just swooping her hair, making sure her real hair and the track is hidden. So in order to sew the tracks onto her ponytail, I first braid her hair using expression hair, braiding hair, and I braid it to a certain point, and then I start to sew the tracks. That way the tracks are secured even more, and it's just better, to be honest, and especially for the style that I'm going for. That is the method I'm going to take. Sorry guys, when editing this video I couldn't find the rest of the other footage, and when I found it, it said that it was corrupted, which was very sad. But here's the finished look of the hair. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try it for yourself and you at me on Instagram. My name is @_DynastyLuxLounge_. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe.